Have you ever wondered how much of our planet remains unexplored, hidden from our maps and yet to be discovered? In an age where satellites can pinpoint the minutest details from space, it's astonishing to realize there are vast expanses on Earth that defy our efforts to map them. Take, for instance, the dense Amazon rainforest, where despite technological advancements, large areas remain unmapped due to the impenetrable canopy and rugged terrain. Venture further to the remote islands scattered across the Pacific Ocean, where ancient cultures and unique ecosystems thrive, untouched by comprehensive cartography. Even in the frozen reaches of the Arctic, where ice and harsh conditions challenge exploration, vast swaths of land and sea remain uncharted. Join us on a journey into these mysterious realms, where every corner holds the promise of discovery. What secrets lie in these unmapped territories? Stay tuned as we uncover the hidden wonders of our planet, inviting you to question what lies beyond the edge of our maps. The Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, spanning across several South American countries, remains one of the most enigmatic and challenging regions to map comprehensively. Despite technological advancements, vast areas of this dense jungle canopy are still unmapped. The Amazon's complexity lies not only in its sheer size, but also in the intricate web of flora and fauna that make ground surveys and satellite mapping a daunting task. The towering canopy, reaching heights of over 100 feet in places, creates a dense barrier that obscures visibility from above, making it difficult to discern the true extent of the landscape beneath. Moreover, the Amazon is crisscrossed by numerous rivers, including the mighty Amazon River itself, which further complicates mapping efforts. These waterways serve as vital lifelines for both human communities and wildlife, but their meandering paths through dense vegetation make accurate mapping challenging. Within these uncharted regions lies a treasure trove of biodiversity. The Amazon is home to an estimated 10% of the world's known species, yet scientists believe that many more species remain undiscovered. This rich biodiversity includes rare plants, elusive mammals like jaguars and giant river otters, and an astounding array of bird species. Indigenous communities have long inhabited the Amazon, possessing deep knowledge of its ecosystems and medicinal plants. Their traditional wisdom and stewardship of the land provide invaluable insights into the rainforest's ecological intricacies, yet their territories often overlap with areas that are still unmapped. Efforts to map the Amazon are ongoing, driven by conservation imperatives and scientific curiosity. Researchers use a combination of satellite imagery, aerial surveys, and ground expeditions to piece together the puzzle of this vast wilderness. However, the Amazon's sheer scale and the challenges posed by its dense vegetation and remote terrain ensure that significant portions of this ecological wonderland remain beyond the edge of current maps, reminding us of the vastness and complexity of Earth's unexplored frontiers, the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean harbors some of the world's most remote and intriguing islands, many of which remain largely unmapped. These islands, scattered across vast expanses of ocean, present unique challenges to cartographers due to their isolation and rugged terrain. Remote atolls, volcanic archipelagos, and coral reefs dot the Pacific, each holding its own mysteries and ecological treasures. One example is the Pitcairn Islands, located in the South Pacific. Despite being British overseas territories, these islands are challenging to accurately map due to their rugged coastline, limited accessibility, and the surrounding vastness of the ocean. Similarly, the Marquesas Islands in French Polynesia are known for their dramatic landscapes and rich cultural heritage, yet large portions remain unmapped due to the dense vegetation and steep volcanic peaks. These islands are not merely blank spots on maps, they are vibrant ecosystems teeming with biodiversity. Unique species of plants and animals have evolved in isolation, contributing to their ecological significance. For instance, the Galapagos Islands, although located in the Pacific off the coast of Ecuador, are renowned for their role in shaping Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. Their diverse habitats, from lush highlands to volcanic shores, host species found nowhere else on Earth. Moreover, these islands often have deep cultural connections, with indigenous communities preserving traditions that are closely intertwined with their natural surroundings. Understanding and accurately mapping these islands are crucial for conservation efforts and sustainable development, as well as for preserving the cultural heritage of their inhabitants. Efforts to map these remote islands rely on advanced satellite technology, aerial surveys, and occasionally, ground expeditions. Despite these efforts, vast areas of the Pacific remain uncharted, underscoring the ongoing challenges and the allure of these mysterious island realms. Segment 3. The Arctic Circle. The Arctic Circle presents some of the most challenging and least mapped regions on Earth. Spanning across the northernmost reaches of several countries, including Canada, Russia, and Norway, the Arctic is characterized by its icy landscapes and extreme weather conditions. Despite technological advancements, significant portions of the Arctic Circle remain uncharted due to the persistent presence of ice cover, shifting sea ice, and the harsh environment that poses risks to explorers and equipment alike. One notable example is the Canadian Arctic archipelago, a maze of islands blanketed in ice for much of the year. This region poses substantial challenges to mapping efforts due to its remote location and the logistical difficulties of operating in such extreme conditions. Similarly, the Siberian Arctic, with its vast expanses of tundra and permafrost, remains largely unmapped, with only sporadic data available from satellite imagery and occasional expeditions. The Arctic's importance extends beyond its geographic and environmental challenges. It is also a crucial region for understanding climate change. The melting of Arctic sea ice has profound implications for global climate patterns and sea level rise, making accurate mapping and monitoring of the region essential for scientific research and environmental management. Moreover, the Arctic is home to diverse wildlife, including polar bears, Arctic foxes, and marine mammals like seals and whales, which depend on the sea ice for their survival. Mapping these habitats accurately is critical for conservation efforts and understanding the impacts of climate change on Arctic ecosystems. Efforts to map the Arctic employ a combination of satellite technology, aerial surveys, and icebreaker expeditions. These efforts aim to fill gaps in our understanding of this remote and vital region, highlighting both the challenges and the imperative of exploring and protecting Earth's last frontiers. As we conclude our journey into these mysterious and unmapped regions, from the dense Amazon rainforest to the remote islands of the Pacific and the icy expanses of the Arctic, we are reminded of Earth's vastness and the enduring mysteries that await discovery. Join us in unraveling these hidden wonders and expanding our understanding of our planet's diverse landscapes and cultures. Like, share, and subscribe to continue exploring with us as we embark on further adventures into the unknown, uncovering the secrets that lie beyond the edge of our maps. Together, let's celebrate and protect the beauty and complexity of our world.